YouTube subscriber, we'd like to wish you a warm and prosperous Happy Chinese New Year. 新年快乐! I'm standing in Sri Bukit Persekutuan, which is a gated and guarded home community in Federal Hill. Similar to TTDI Hills of TTDI and Bangsa Hills of Bangsa, this home community is an exclusive enclave and it only has 24 limited edition bungalows. As you enter into the house, you will be greeted by firstly a Mitsubishi private lift, which brings you to all levels of this house, and next to it is a large bathroom. So this bathroom is large because there is a lot of walking to be done here. Assuming that you're going to take a walk around the forest, I mean not the forest, but the hills of Federal, you know, this whole area, this gated and guarded community is total of 18 acres. It's going to be you're going to be very sweaty. So you're going to have to have a big bathroom to relax and unwind. Today itself is kind of like it's almost going to rain, so there is still light coming in from all angles, and these big windows create a sense of a lot of space to this house. Plus on top of that, I love that the choice of light is very elegant. So from the formal dining area, and then there is this walkway which brings you into the dining area. Round table, and there are paneled doors which opens out into the indoor garden. It's covered, so on days which are raining, you can still have conversation, you can still continue entertaining guests at the back of the house. And then it connects into the dry kitchen. Dry kitchen then leads you to the wet kitchen, and the wet kitchen opens up to the maid's room. On this floor, there is one bedroom, which could also be used as a study room. It's here. Interesting feature about this room is that it has its own private balcony, which is spacious. You could sit down here and you could hear the birds chirping. And next to this room is the powder room, or you can convert this into a bedroom and then this becomes its bathroom, right? And then now we will head over to the upstairs of the house. So this whole development is built by Tan & Tan. Its finishing is very well done. You can see from the tiles and the flooring as well as the louvers. Although from the outside of the house it looks like all bungalows appear to be the same, but on the inside, given this is a high-end bungalow and is an exclusive enclave, the interior of the house is all built to specific requirements of the owners. So this is the first of 3 bedrooms on the top. All bedrooms on the top floor are ensuite. Super huge. This could be like the entertainment area, I mean like personal private entertainment area. And then this is the bedroom. There is a walk-in wardrobe here, plus an ensuite bathroom. And notice even the shape of the roof, which are paneled wood. It's very elegant, the design. Bedroom number 2 on the top floor. This, I would say, would be the smaller of all 3 bedrooms, but it does come with its own attached bathroom. And finally, we have the master bedroom. Of course, there's shelving. You could put your awards and recognition here to just remember it every day as you enter home. This is your master bedroom. It's huge. It's got 4 panel windows here and 1 over there. It's a lot of space, and it's using concealed aircon, so you don't really see those containers of aircon unit. It's very elegant, and then it goes into the bathroom. There's the shower and the toilet, and then we end it on the top floor in the walk-in wardrobe. So I'm going to walk you through the outside of the house, the perimeter. The driveway is a slope up. I would say it's much better than if it's a slope down, so it's great. There are both the covered car park lots as well as the open one. And by the side of the house, a staircase. From the back of the house, it's very workspace, very practical. But if you are looking for more recreation and a private pool, this side of the house could be converted with some space planning and architect consultation. So the stones here, the pebbles, they just add to the feeling of nature. And then there are tall trees that are already very matured. This is the outdoor section, indoor garden, it's all covered. And on this wall, you can see there are birds, and then there's roses, petal. There's this wall here where you can have your own private discussion. At the back of me is the private walkway. It's where other residents could have their recreation walk in the evening time. So it's very open. You're not like keeping beauty to yourself. If you like what you see so far, do give me a call. Until then, I'm Swiss signing off. Thank you for making us see sexy again.